Hello guys, welcome to my AndWin Tech channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix ERR network change in Google Chrome. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are facing error network change in your Google Chrome, then I will show you how to fix this issue. First of all, you need to click on this search, then type here device manager. You can see here device manager. Just click on this. In this list you will find network adapter. You can see a network adapter. Just double click on that and expand. Just right click on this wireless adapter, click on properties. In this you can see here power management. You need to uncheck this option, allow the computer to turn off this device to save the power. Just uncheck and click OK and close this window. After that you need to just click on the start menu, then type here control panel. You can see here control panel. Just click on this. After that you will find network and internet. Just click on this. Click on network and sharing center. In left section you can see here change adapter setting. Just click on this. Just right click on your connected internet. If you are connected through Wi-Fi, just right click on the Wi-Fi, or you have connected to the cable network, just right click on that Ethernet. I have connected with Wi-Fi, so I will select as Wi-Fi properties. In this you will find internet protocol version 6, means TCP/IP 6. You just need to uncheck this option. Just disable this one and close this window. Click on this search option, then type here CMD. Right click on command prompt, click on run as administrator. Click on yes. Here you need to type ipconfig space / flush DNS. And hit enter. After that you need to type second command, ipconfig space / register DNS. Hit enter and close this window. After doing this, once you need to restart your laptop or PC. After restarting your laptop or PC, hope your problem will be fixed. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix how to fix ERR network change in Google Chrome. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.